Good day, I'm Sebastian. I'm a systems integration engineer, and I'd like to introduce you to the systems and technology that have been deployed here at Auckland Millennium City. The primary system in place is the Gallagher Access Control System, which is the most advanced product available in the world currently. And the sister surveillance product in place is the Credential Vision system, which is one of the world leaders in surveillance technology. My role is to commission both systems and to achieve their objectives set by the owners of Millennium City. This is the residence spark gripper barrier with a turnstile which allows for pedestrian access. The LEDs are in a blue status that indicates that the gripper is ready to be used, it's in action, and it's fine to be used. When a vehicle approaches and a valid credential is presented, the LEDs change to a red cross and the barrier opens. Once the sparks are totally submerged, two green arrows appear, and that gives indication to the resident or visitor that they may leave safely over the sparks. They are submerged in the ground. This is a NetApp vehicle RFID reader. This reader reads the tags which are issued to a resident and fitted to their windshield, and it allows them free access in and out of the estate. The system will recognize the tag with the vehicle and have knowledge that it is a valid resident and allow entrance or exit to the estate. This is a biometric wave reader which reads the hand impression of a resident. The purpose of this in the residence lane is in event of the failure of vehicle tag read, which may be the cause of a lost or damaged tag or technology, there is a redundant method of exiting or entering the estate. These sparks are shaped, curved towards the area which requires protection. When a valid credential is presented and the arm opens, the sparks in tandem drop under the surface of the road and allow safe transport over it. And in closing of the boom, after the car has moved over, the sparks come up and protect the premises again. The entire Millennium City is enclosed with a wall with an 8-strand electric fence on top of the wall. It's a Gallagher electric fence, which is the best in the world currently. And it is fully integrated with the surveillance system monitoring the perimeter. This surveillance system is a combination of thermal cameras and high-speed dome swing movement cameras. All activities at the entrance and exit of Millennium City are recorded 24 hours by surveillance cameras overlooking the areas. Any transgression in the system where people or attempts at entering that is not allowed brings up an alert with associated video in the nerve center. The nerve center is protected by a bulletproof industrial door, and access to it is by authorized personnel only through the biometric system. On this side there is the Credential Vision VMS operator who manages the video surveillance system. His primary operation and task would be to investigate and look at and manipulate cameras on events and get reviews of video footage for investigations and anything related to the video management system. In the center we have the supervisor who will escalate by means of two-way radio to the people out in the field with the standard operating procedures that are in place for events that come up on the system. In the center you have the automated system. The automated system is very important. It takes care of making sure that everything that's happening out there is actually detected and reported into the control room with no human interaction. So it's an automated system that will detect alarms within the access control system out there and within the surveillance system, whether it's a thermal camera or an electric fence breach that goes off, the system will automatically display it. The combination of all the products give us a smart solution. In explanation of smart solution, it is high-end access control and surveillance integrated together to remove as much human interaction as possible, to allow the systems to look after the residents living in the Millennium City.